Welcome from MSSC. Today's quick look will focus on incorporating two font sizes into one template using free design on the newly enhanced SmartJet Blue printer. Please notice that we are selecting Message on the home screen menu. In the Message menu, highlight Create Message. Then press Enter on the keyboard to proceed. Here are the normal font selections, and at the bottom of this list is Free Design. Let's highlight Free Design and then press Enter. For our example, we will be using a 2-inch template. Enter the template size and then press Enter. Once you are in the design screen, please locate the Insert key on your keyboard. Then, press the Insert key to add an object into your layout. Now, from the Objects pop-up menu, we will be adding static text. Simply highlight text and press Enter. On this screen, you'll populate the data you would like to print. Then, notice the navigation instructions at the lower left side of the screen on your printer. These indicate to hit Ctrl and Enter keys simultaneously to advance. In the Edit Message screen, you'll notice your text is surrounded by a red box. While it's surrounded by the red box, you can use the cursor directional keys to position your text in your layout. Pressing Enter will allow you to modify the contents of this field. In Edit Object mode, you can modify the text within the field by highlighting text and pressing Enter. However, if you highlight General and then press Enter, you can adjust the following settings. In the General menu, you can use left and top to position your text bundling box, and width and height for adjustments to its size. The remaining options allow adjustments to the font, including the font type, size, and style characteristics such as bold or italic. Here, we'll quickly adjust the font size to 18-point text and press Enter. Then, we'll look to the lower left corner of the screen to find the key command to move forward and accept our changes. At the bottom left corner, we'll notice that pressing Ctrl and Enter simultaneously allows you to proceed and accept your adjustments. Here, we can see that our text has increased in size to 18 points as we defined. Now, we will add a second, smaller text field object in the same way as we added the original text field object, by pressing the Insert key on the keyboard. After that, highlight text and press Enter. Now, add your desired text, then press Ctrl and Enter simultaneously to proceed. Use your cursor keys to position the bundling box, then press Enter to edit the object. Select General and press Enter. Next, we will use an 8-point font size on this text object and press Enter. To exit and accept our changes, follow the instructions in the lower left corner of the screen, press Ctrl and Enter to return to the template layout screen. Position your text using the cursor keys. After that, we'll add a variable datetime object by pressing the Insert key on the keyboard, as we did earlier. Then, highlight the datetime menu option and press Enter. Now, define your preferred format. For our purpose, we'll be using a 6-character date and making this an expiration date by highlighting the expiry date field and entering the amount of days from the current date that defines our expiration date. For example, we are entering 180 days from the current date. Now we press Ctrl plus Enter to accept our changes and return to the template layout. Here, we can position our object with the cursor keys. Please notice that the date is blue, indicating that it is a variable object. This makes it easily identified in a layout as a variable field. Now, let's press Enter to adjust the font size of the variable date field to better match our layout. Highlight General and press Enter again. Scroll to highlight font size and enter the 8-point size we used earlier and then press Enter. Then, press Ctrl and Enter simultaneously to accept the changes and proceed back to the layout window. If you need to edit a previously inserted field, you can easily navigate the objects by using the Tab key to toggle between objects. Please notice when pressing the Tab key that the red bundling box will cycle through the objects in the order they were added to the template. Finally, please press Escape to initiate the save process and give your template a title. Press Enter to accept your title and press it again when the OK prompt pops up confirming your saved template. That's another MSSC Quick Tech. Happy printing from MSSC.